Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly turn off smart lock, biometric unlocks, and notifications on the lock screen with a touch of a button on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on lock screen. Next, we go down and tap on Secure Lock Settings. Now, put in your current PIN or password. And we need to turn on a feature called Show Lockdown Options. So switch it on. And now on your lock screen, whenever you need to quickly turn off biometrics unlock, such as Face ID or fingerprints, and when you also quickly need to turn off all the notifications on your lock screen, you can pull down at the top and tap on the power option menu. In here, tap on lockdown mode. Once you are in lockdown mode, you will not be able to gain access to your device using Face ID or fingerprints, so all of your biometrics will be switched off, and notifications on your lock screen also get switched off as well. And that's it. To gain access to your device again, you need to put in your PIN or password or a pattern unlock to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.